Have you ever wondered how you can develop unshakable confidence and become a leader others want to follow? The answer might lie in Stoic philosophy. In this video, we will explore how Stoic principles can help you become more confident and lead with determination and effectiveness. Stay until the end to discover practical strategies and advice from the great Stoic philosophers that will change your life. Let's focus on how you can lead with determination and effectiveness. A true leader takes the initiative and leads from the front. Let's think about what Epictetus said. It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. A leader does not let external circumstances dictate their actions, but makes decisions based on their values and principles. Imagine Leonidas, the king of Sparta, leading his army on the front line of battle. This is a true leader who not only gives orders, but leads by example. Leading by example means being willing to do what you ask of others. If you expect commitment and dedication, you must show these same values in your daily behavior. This inspires respect and loyalty in those around you. To be an effective leader, you need to develop the ability to make firm decisions and stay calm in high-pressure situations. Practice conscious decision-making and do not let emotions dictate your actions in the moment. Remember, a leader shows courage and takes responsibility even in uncertainty. A useful technique is principle-based decision-making. Identify your core values and use them as a guide in your decisions. This will not only make you more consistent, but also allow you to maintain integrity in difficult situations. Study historical and modern leaders. Observe how they face challenges and what strategies they use to inspire others. Learn from their successes and failures to improve your own leadership skills. Let's explore some practical strategies you can implement today to improve your confidence and leadership skills. 1. Dichotomy of Control. Practice the dichotomy of control. Focus on what you can control and accept what you cannot. This will help you stay calm and make more rational decisions. Practical example. Imagine you are in a conflict situation at work. Ask yourself, what aspects of the situation can I control? What aspects are beyond my control? Focus on your actions and decisions and let go of concerns about external factors. 2. Negative visualization. Imagine the worst possible scenarios and mentally prepare for them. This practice will help you be calmer and more prepared when facing real challenges. Practical example. Before an important presentation, imagine what could go wrong. Prepare for these eventualities and develop strategies to handle them. This will reduce your anxiety and increase your confidence. 3. Stoic Journaling. Keep a journal where you reflect on your thoughts and daily actions. This will help you stay focused on your goals and evaluate your progress. Practical example. Each night, write about your experiences of the day. Reflect on how you applied Stoic principles and what you could improve. This will allow you to see patterns in your behavior and work on specific areas of development. 4. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline is key to leadership. Seneca said, "True happiness is to enjoy the present without anxious dependence upon the future." Practice self-control in all areas of your life to strengthen your leadership. Practical example. Set daily goals and achieve them. Self-discipline is not about grand gestures, but about small, consistent habits. For example, if you decide to wake up early, do it every day. This consistency will strengthen your self-control and leadership capacity. Let's talk about how to develop unshakable confidence. True confidence comes from within, according to Marcus Aurelius. Perfect tranquility consists in the good ordering of the mind, in your own realm. This means that confidence isn't about being the best at everything, but about being at peace with yourself. 5. Daily meditation. An essential habit for developing this confidence is daily meditation. Dedicate a few minutes each day to calm your mind and reflect on your thoughts and actions. This will help you connect with yourself, calm your mind, and find that inner tranquility that Marcus Aurelius mentioned. Meditation can be as simple as sitting in a quiet place, closing your eyes, and focusing on your breath. Feel present in the moment, and when your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. This practice, although simple, has a profound impact on your mental and emotional state. 6. Self-reflection. Self-reflection is also crucial. At the end of each day, take a moment to reflect on your actions. Ask yourself, what did I do well today? What can I improve? This practice will help you know yourself better and build a solid foundation of inner confidence. To be more effective in this practice, keep a journal. Write down your thoughts, feelings, and experiences. It will not only help you reflect, but also allow you to see your progress over time. Over time, you will notice that you feel more secure and calm in social situations because you have already worked on your inner self. 7. Physical activity. Additionally, incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Exercise not only strengthens your body, but also improves your mental well-being. The release of endorphins during exercise will make you feel more confident and energized to face daily challenges. Developing confidence and leadership skills with Stoic philosophy is an ongoing journey. It requires practice and dedication, but the benefits are immense. You will not only become a more confident person, but also a leader others want to follow. I challenge you to implement at least one of these strategies in your life this week. Observe how it impacts your confidence and leadership skills. Share your experiences in the comments. If you liked this video, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss more content on how to improve your life with Stoic philosophy. Activate the notification bell to stay updated on our next videos. Thank you for watching, and remember, true strength and leadership come from within. See you in the next video. Until next time.